Oh, I like this lighting.
Right cheek, please don't get me hype. I'm hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
Hey y'all, I'm starting off this birthday weekend vlog. I decided this year we've all been in quarantine. It's been a hell of a 2020, and I decided that I was going to celebrate my birthday by having a little dinner party that I invited a few friends to. So tomorrow I am leaving for my birthday party. Well, birthday dinner, it's really small, it's 6 people, including my husband and myself. But I was like, everybody been in the house. I was like, let's get dressed up and have a dinner party, celebrate my birthday. And I'm excited to be around my friends, and to be celebrating another year of life. I don't take it for granted. My hair is already done. I recorded a tutorial for this, so you'll see this hair. You'll probably see me in this outfit to wrap up that video, because at this point I haven't wrapped it up yet. All right, y'all, so I just want to show y'all, this is my little workstation down here with my Cricut. All right, this is the stuff I've been working on. These are the glasses that I made. They're not perfect. I can't find my little smoothing tool, but yeah. So I made glasses for everybody. This is my little party logo. These are the numbers that I cut out. Hopefully I'll be able to use them. Then I have this, but this is for the backdrop there. That came out really nice. But yeah, some more numbers and stuff. So I'm just going to put all this stuff in a folder and take it with me. Figure it out when I get there. So now I'm about to go upstairs, and I'm going to go through my decorations, make sure I have everything that I need. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go through this bin and just make sure I have everything I need. These are the chargers I got from Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm glad I went through here, because I forgot that I had this separate box, because I got some champagne flutes. Boom. I need these skewers. We have serving trays. We have flowers. We got some gold. So y'all, all honesty, I do not know what my decorations are going to look like. I just have decorations. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna set them up, but that's okay, because they're gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be great. All right, so these are my wedding flowers. So I'm gonna use these for decoration. All right, my husband just helped me put this stuff in the trunk. So now I gotta put my glasses in here. I should probably wrap those up more. I'll do that later. That's done. So I just remembered that I need to print my menus that I made. Yeah, so let's do that. Jump! Okay. Yeah, I want to keep the vlog style vibe going. Y'all, this camera is so heavy to hold. Showing y'all my menus. Did them on Canva. I am the self-proclaimed Canva queen. All right, here's my invitation that I made. I sent it electronically, and this is based off of a book that I read. Cover my number. There's the back of it. There it is. So here is the menu. So I need to download it. Yeah, so I did everything myself. Focus me camera. Y'all, I'm using my DSLR to vlog instead of using my phone. It's so heavy. But yeah, like I said, I created everything myself. So here is the menu. Ooh, I need to edit it. Oh, you know what? Let me go back and edit it, because I got the wines and it has changed. So we got a Sauvignon Blanc, and then for this, paired with Riesling. I want it to be on one line. And then, yep, sparkling rosé. These are so cute. Oh my God. Y'all, if you're not on Canva, you sleep, okay? You sleep. I wish I could record in this lighting all the time. So, only thing left I have to do is like prep myself. So I need to shave. I prep my nails. I'm gonna be doing press-ons. I'm gonna be doing 2 different sets since I'm doing the photo shoot and the party. I think that's about it. I need to finalize my packing. I think I need to pack underwear and bras. But you know, as long as them outfits is together, sis. Okay, so I'm just gonna print these menus off and I'll show y'all how those turned out. And I keep saying and. I think that is it for today. I don't need to take y'all on my shaving and showering adventure with me. So we'll pick this up tomorrow when we are headed to Raleigh. All right, y'all, be back. Hey y'all, I don't know if you can see me. Just pulled up to the Airbnb. Go ahead and grab my bag. Ah! What do you say? Yes, I'm so excited. Oh, this is perfect. Yes, kitchen perfectly off of the dining area. Perfect amount of chairs. Ooh, this is nice. Which one's what's my side? The right side? Yes.
You always sleep close to the door.
I sleep on the right side of the bed. Oh, this is good. So tomorrow night I can stumble to my room. What do you say dang for?
This is nice.
Look how tall that window is.
I don't know.
Let me see. All right, I love this table. This is perfect. Perfect. Got the little sitting area. We can play games and stuff. And then upstairs, there's a room over here. So this just happened. Oh no, there's an air mattress. Breaking stuff up. But yeah, we gotta go to the grocery store. And I'm walking around with my crochet pulled up.
Yeah, you look silly.
Why do I look silly? Because the back. DJ didn't like my full up ponytail, so. Yeah, see, I could never live in my Airbnb or I would have to lock my closets. Because you're touching my shoes. All right, y'all, I'm about to go to the bathroom and then we're gonna go to the store. Go ahead and get this grocery shopping out the way. Hey y'all, we are back at the Airbnb, went grocery shopping. I couldn't take y'all with me because I needed my phone for my grocery list. But my husband and I are just chilling, drinking wine, eating Little Caesars pizza. We're here, we have the whole space to ourselves today, and then my guest will be here tomorrow. And here's our Little Caesars. We got the breadstick and pizza thing. I'm only eating the breadstick. That's what we're drinking since we're in North Carolina. You have to have some Duplin. This is the white sangria. We have another bottle, and we're watching girls trip. Movie is hilarious. Yeah, y'all see I'm rocking my Mind Your Own Marriage shirt. I don't know if you can get this colorway anymore. I think this was only for homecoming weekend. Maybe they'll do a re-release, but I do have a code for a discount code. I will put it on the screen or in the description box so y'all can use that. And I know y'all probably looking at me like, girl, your hair is crazy. It's just wait until tomorrow. In the morning, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna do my photo shoot. I'm so excited. So it's gonna be like branding type stuff and pictures that I can use on my social media and for my content and stuff like that. I'm gonna sign off tonight and I will see y'all tomorrow.
No comparison. No.